Exciting times are ahead for smartwatch enthusiasts. A fresh wave of upcoming smartwatches from major players like Google, Apple, Samsung, and OnePlus is set to bring groundbreaking features, improved battery life, and sleek design upgrades. First up, the OnePlus Watch 3 is making waves ahead of its February 18 launch. With a titanium bezel, sapphire crystal display, and a 5-day battery life in smart mode, this could be one of the long-lasting Wear OS watches yet. It also features a rotating crown and ECG monitoring for advanced health tracking. Apple's most anticipated release, the Apple Watch Series 11, is expected in September 2025. While major redesigns were rumored for this Series 10, they didn't materialize, so we might see them in this new model. Speculations include a slimmer build, improved durability, and possibly a new strap mechanism. While blood glucose monitoring is still a distant dream, enhancements in blood pressure tracking could also be on the horizon. There's also chatter about a micro LED display, although reports suggest it may have been scrapped. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 is still fresh, but rumors of the Galaxy Watch 8 are already making rounds. A potential design shift to a squircle shape, blending square and circular elements, could enhance usability. Health tracking is set to improve, with Samsung exploring blood glucose monitoring and advanced sensors for better wellness insights. Looking into 2025, the Pixel Watch 4 might introduce a touch-sensitive bezel for more intuitive controls and a Fit Score feature for personalized health data. Google's also expected to enhance battery life and GPS accuracy, making this watch a serious competitor in the wearable space. There's even talk of a rugged Pixel Watch Ultra variant. For adventure lovers, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is now expected in September 2025. Although the long-rumored micro LED display may not make it, we could see an energy-efficient OLED instead. Apple is likely to introduce new health tracking features like sleep apnea detection and blood pressure monitoring, though regulatory hurdles might delay some capabilities. The budget-friendly Apple Watch SE 3 might see a refresh in 2025, likely adopting the S9 processor and a slightly larger display. The Apple Watch Series 10 marked a decade of innovation with its larger display, slimmer body, and improved internal components, while the Ultra 2 brought a brighter display and on-device Siri. Google's Pixel Watch 3 now offers slimmer bezels, a 2000-nit AMOLED display, and better integration with Google's ecosystem. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 delivers faster performance with the Exynos W1000 chipset and dual-band GPS, making it a strong choice for Android users. As brands push the boundaries of wearable tech, these upcoming smartwatches promise better health tracking, enhanced designs, and longer battery life. Whether you're looking for high-end features or budget-friendly options, there's something exciting on the way. Which smartwatch are you most excited about? Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in wearable tech.